play games.
What?
What are we on?
Seven Dwarfs.
Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Oh, Mine Train.
Okay, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Are we going to be able to do this?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
But I still think it's Minecraft.
All right. No showing me your backside. You ready to go?
No.
All right, she doesn't want to do this, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Here we go. We're already started. Oh, she's hating every minute of this. Can't stand it. There we go. Hey, look, castle. Look. Oh, look. What's going on in the hut? What's going on in the hut? Oh, look, there's a witch. Oh, there's a witch there in the hut.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We gotta get out. What do you think?
Oh, it's very scary. Did not like it.
You did not like it? I knew she hated it. It was great.